About to make YouTube better, aren't we, Wax?
Here we are.
Frames.
In here.
Why? They're all wrapped up. Yeah, we can build them up today, aren't we, Barney?
Yeah, we are.
Matt Walker, multitasking.
Grammar.
Grabbing.
Tubing.
Tubing. About to go to the track.
Truck walk day. Rope fan. What up, YouTube?
Get your steed up. Oh, how much last step?
Oh, here we are.
No, it's an authentic vlog, man.
Organic. Very organic.
Organic.
We don't actually lock our door here. By the time you see this, we won't actually live here, so it won't make a difference.
Just act normal, man. I'm just vlogging.
This is how I act.
Yeah, boys! Sunny Quebec, Aussie house, TV house somewhere. Oh, stop sign. World's venue this year. Shuts down on bringing alcohol in, so huge fence. Old mate on duty. Carl's hanging out. Yeah. Trying to steal stuff. Boys. Management at work. Always. Ooh, Siegenthaler World Frame.
But on, been a Kerr, mate.
Ooh, baby! You see that?
Smooth.
Wax, let's see it.
So this is a my standard frame, but gone for something special this week at World Champs. Here we have
Damn, Shouty.
custom painted green stone, New Zealand themed.
I think we need to get this in the sun, Wax. Can't really see it.
In the sun. Here we go, sports fans. World Champs 2019, monster.
What do you reckon, Kyle?
I reckon that
Pretty monster team.
hot.
Hot, bruh, hot.
Yeah, I think he's got a monster deal coming.
Green guy. Yeah, tap her in.
Well, I guess I gotta start off somewhere.
No photos.
No photos.
Media's here already. Obviously, look at the bikes.
Well, fuck, green is for, I forget even, oh, you got
New Zealand greenstone, man.
Namu. Who's on your team? Oh, you got a Swissy?
Come on, you know who's on the team.
You're not that old, Sven. You haven't forgotten.
What do you reckon, Sven? What do you reckon of Greenie?
Yeah, but a lot of people are going that marble.
Come on.
A lot of people are going that marble. It's like
gonna be different
specialized,
every year.
like 10 years ago. I kind of like that one. Who's that?
Mine, it's the CR500.
Ah, is it yours? I don't like it anymore.
It's something horrible.
That is a fucking dope.
Still got eyebrows, they're going later. Everyone, tune in later.
Beautiful. Yeah, next time you see Sven, you won't have eyebrows. Quite fucking well done, eh? Jesus.
Unbelievable job. Vacations. Typical day at World Cup.
I'll scratch it.
Hold up again, man.
Millie, turned up. What do you think? It's the cycling of your bike. Yeah. Morse code here, guys. We're vlogging, Emily.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So your new YouTube channel.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
I'm stoked.
You gonna watch the YouTube channel?
Oh, yours for sure.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
already subscribed.
Like, subscribe, guys. Hey guys, what do you think? The green's good, eh?
I'm a fan of that green. Have you seen my bike?
New Zealand Greenstone. We haven't seen yours yet.
You need to come see it.
You need to come see it, eh?
Yeah.
So we're masters. You e-biking today, Win?
E-biking always, mate. Yeah.
What do you think of the e-bike race, Win?
There's some questionable competition out there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're going to battle.
Okay, and you gonna watch this vlog later? First one?
I'm not a vlog fan, yeah.
Yeah, but maybe my one? Or...
Like, subscribe and share, guys.
Thanks, Win. See you guys. We're going to track walk in. Peace. Walking time.
Oh my god, check one.
Two guys, one gondola. Happy about that, Boris? How you doing? You good, mate?
Good.
Nice. That's what the cool guys do.
Yeah.
How's track walk going for you here at Montanan Wells?
I like it. I haven't been here last year because I had to shoot EWS for you in Whistler.
Nice.
So it's completely new. It feels like I've never been here before.
Sick. You're hyped. What lens have you got on for the fans today?
To shoot you with your new Ray-Ban glasses, it's 70-100 2.8 Mark III.
Nice.
And
the long lens, my favorite.
and the fisheye to take to make you look bigger.
Nice. Nice.
So yeah, I'm
Alright, Boris.
set up.
Done. How you doing, brother? He's getting it. How are we feeling, brother?
We're fired up, we're fired up.
I've seen Fontana up there, he's looking good.
Yeah, well, we're feeling strong.
Yeah, we're vlogging, we're filming. Yeah, yeah boy. Right, Win, give me nuts.
Big talk.
Yeah, boy, kill it.
I don't know. Well, what advice do you have to tell to Win?
Go. Me and Wax, back from track walk, in some food. Got the GB kit on now. We're supposed to have that on. And the boys are making progress. It's so hard. Ooh, Emily with some Cuzzy stickers. It's coming along, Barney.
Getting there.
Getting there. Ooh, Greenstone. Fat Wax. Oh, and BK's 500.
Smooth lines. Oh, mate, from Shimano. Shimano was not happy. World Champs is about to start. We're about to see the first straight. See who's got the most horsepower.
All the best motor. We're cheering our boy Win on. We love e-bikes.
Et c'est parti, mesdames et messieurs, qui sera votre premier champion du monde?
Go Win! Go Win! Everyone just the same speed.
Great.
This e-bike's now. Oh, actually, e-bike is coming through. Oh, the American he must be cheating. Look at the guy in third. In contact from the old Frenchies here. Okay, okay.
There's Fontana.
Oh, Fontana coming through, baby! Oh, shit! Oh, I'm crossing the course, baby. Go on, Win, son! Go on, son! Oi, you slow guys, get out Win's way. He's way quicker than you. Move out his way! Move! He's better than you!
Can you get out of my way for a sec?
Yeah.
Thanks.
We're in a fellow vlogger's way. Huge drag in the e-bike race.
That's it, that's it.
My initial impressions are that I'm not this mad that I missed the e-bike race, but we'll see at the end. But right now, not mad that I missed it. And you look like this riding around. Yeah, boy! Oh! World champ, e-biker! Yeah. What do you think of the frame paint jobs? You can't comment on the bikes, obviously, but...
CR 500 looks good.
500.
It's not the real thing. 98 or 99?
96, but yeah.
96.
Yeah, right.
Close enough.
What about you, Jacko?
I'm digging the green. The green
You like the greenie?
so sick.
Alright, we can't all be 500 lovers, but...
I've not seen it in person, so I can't comment.
What do you reckon of that, mate?
Matches the shorts, I like that.
Chilling back out this way.
We got forks and our boy Geordie Courts has hooked us up with some fresh decals. Yo! Wax, what we got over here for yours?
Got some nice custom decals. Cheers, Brendan.
Brennan,
hooking us
boy,
up.
hooking us up again.
It's gonna go nicely with the green.
Run home from the track. With
Day
my
one
boy.
done, baby.
Day one done. Going back shortly to see the world's bikes finished.
Looking forward to riding now. Big man upstairs.
What are we calling this? A lifestyle doco.
The lifestyle documentary.
Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. ANSR, I want to tag that as well because they get loads of views. Worked up a sweat.
Got time for a cold beer, I reckon.
White horse.
We have the white horse.
I'm gonna go for some Alexander Keiths. Got the beersies for the commute home. And I like that hot going. How you doing on wax? Yeah, they're looking pretty good last year.
Exactly. The last sector.
Last sector.
Last 0.9.
Go inside. Oh, she's getting there. Oh, bike's rolling.
I do remember.
Maybe.
Oh. We're just vlogging. Vicky, you can vlog for me after your big build.
Not too shabby, mate.
Oh, good size. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
I don't look fucking shit.
Oh, the 500 smooth. She's fast. Oh, baby, we good.
Not bad. Fucking. Yeah.
Damn.
Wow, that's full soon for me.
Oh, look at that. The Honda wing.
When you put them on the frame,
I think bang on.
Would they pivot worlds? The completed world steed. Nah, it's a lifestyle documentary, thanks. Oh, opening ceremony. TV squad. What's up, boys? You seen it? You get in the vlog.
What you saying, you good?
What you saying, man? You're good, man.
I'm really enjoying this though. This is
Don't get camera shy.
magnificent.
The opening ceremony. There you go, Danny. Well, you're on the first YouTube.
Do you want me to get you?
Huh?
Do you want me to get
No,
you?
it's all right, mate.
You can tell us where we are.
There you go. We got Vickers in there as well. Day one.
Oh, you'd have more of a camera.
La question c'est quelle langue vas-tu?
Edward Power.
Son propre fan
Oh yeah.
Good luck to all the athletes.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah!
Ça, c'est pas une facile, ça. On va éviter.
Have a skate. End of vlog day one, everyone. Great hustle out there. And we're out. Done. Packing up. That is actually the end of day one now. Nice one, Janny. Over and out.